Hi guys, good evening. Still I am not sleepy, so I will do something. This is one of natural remedy for treating muscle pains and joint pains. So I came to know that this avocado seed is good for relieving pains and joint pains and muscle pains. So I intentionally bought an avocado and I removed the seeds. So I cleaned it and dry. Now I am removing the skin which is covering the main seeds of the avocado. So after I will remove this one guys, I will chop this one into two pieces and I will put this one in a jar. So this, since I have two seeds, so I got this two jars. One jar I mean, big jar I mean. So I will put that inside. So this avocado seeds is having antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effect. So whenever the parts of your body you feel there is pain or which part of your joints is having pain, so you have to put the oil of this soaked avocado, okay? So now we will peel all these seeds, then I will chop this one. Okay guys, so it's already peeled. So we will cut this one into two. So this one I cut already. It's little bit hard guys, but you just put a little bit force on it. Okay, so now it's already cut. So I will cut this one into small pieces. Okay, so like this, small. Okay, so ayan na siya guys. Tapos na siyang na-slice. So, you can see after you slice the avocado seed, it will change this color. Okay, so the color is already changed. So now what I will do is, I have to put this in this jar. So, okay guys, so now here it is my avocado seed chopped into small pieces. And this is the one I will put. I have here this methyl salicylate camphor plus menthol. It's an effervescent oil. So I bought this one from the Philippines and I bring it with me. So this one I will put.